Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deposit money into your Stake account. So let's get started. Log into your stake.com account. Click on this blue icon, deposit icon here, or this wallet icon. There you will see in the next pop-up the option to deposit or the option to buy crypto. So click on deposit. So here, when you register an account with stake.com, it creates a crypto wallet for you. So here is your crypto address. So the account is also a wallet. So all you have to do here is to select the option or how you want to pay. So I want to pay with USDT. So let me select USDT here. So here I have to select the network. So you pay attention to the network. Some network transfer fee are high. So I'll be using Binance Smart Chain, which is BNB, or you can use Tron, TRX. Both of them are the same price, I guess. So let me click on this. So here is the correct address. So it's telling me only send USDT to this address. 2 confirmation required. So just copy the address. So you can see address copied. Now go to your Bybit. Okay, now I'm in my Bybit account now. So I'll click on assets. So under assets, I'll click on withdraw. This is where some people find it confusing. So if you want to send money to somewhere, you use withdraw. If you want to deposit, you want to put money, then you click on deposit because you want to put money inside your Bybit. So but I want to withdraw money from here, so I'll click on withdraw. So when I click on withdraw now, I will choose from the available funds here, which is USDT. So here is it. USDT already selected. So now I have to paste the address here, the address that I copied on my stake address. I've pasted it. Then I have to select network. I choose BEP20, which is Binance Smart Chain. Let me use this. So here you can see it's saying minimum withdrawal amount is $10. So I can't fund up to $10 into my account right now. So let me just see. Let me put $1, and then here is the withdrawal fee. As you can see, it's $1.3, which is also huge for me. So but as this is a tutorial video, let me just choose $1 and see. Let me click on withdraw. I think to tell me the requested withdrawal amount is lower than the minimum amount. So when you process and withdraw, enter your PIN and the money will be deposited into your stake.com account. So this is just your wallet. It does not require any password or something that when you enter it, you will click on go or next. No, this is just a wallet already. Just make sure you select the right network, enter it in your Bybit, select the amount you want to deposit and deposit. The money will appear and it will reflect here. If you deposit USDT, it will appear here, as you can see, to show the number of USDT that you have. So but since I don't want to deposit up to $10 into my account, no, I cannot do that. I cannot do that. $10, which is, oh, that is huge for me for now. So that is how to deposit money into your stake account. If you are still finding it difficult and you have a question that you want to ask me, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be so glad and happy to help you. If this process worked for you, please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.